Hiccups, myoclonic jerk, synchronous diaphragmatic flutter, laryngeal spasms, total closure of glottis, singultus, Latin for catching breath between sobs, also water gurgling, raven croaking, death rattle. Old remedies. Drink from wrong rim, hold breath, breathe into paper bag, do not put bag overhead, blow up bag and bang it, drop keys down back, any shot will do. Almost not unpleasant, this rhythmic recurrent contraction, regular as a scratched record, repeated moments. Keep thinking it's stopped. New remedy. Write about it. About it. About it.